Multiply decimals up to 4-digit factors, mini lesson. Okay, same thing here. Our numbers are just going to be a little bit longer. Okay, so same process. 38.2 times 0.7. Okay, again, I'm going to ignore those decimal points and then just solve the problem. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 1 more is 57. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 5 more would be 26. Okay, and then I put my 0 down as my placeholder. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. And when I add those up, I get 4, 7, 6, 2. I come up to my problem, and I have one number after the decimal, another number after the decimal, so I have two numbers after the decimal. The number one thing people forget to do is come back and put that decimal point in. So you gotta train your brain and say, okay, even when I'm done, I'm not really done. I have to add that decimal back in somewhere. Okay, so 26.74 is going to be our first answer. Let's try another one. 4.2 times 134.5. Okay, for this one, we're going to put our 134.5 on the top. Even though it comes second in our problem, it's longer, so it's going to be better to put it on top. Times 4.2. When I solve the problem, I'm going to take my decimals out. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, then we're going to put our 0 placeholder down. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 more is 18. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. We add those two up, 0 and 9 and 14 and 6 and 5. And then I go back up to my problem. I have one number after the decimal. I have another digit after the decimal. So in my answer, I need 2 digits after the decimal.